Hello everybody, this is 2020 Iveco daily, which came in certain problems. Now we are going to program the ECU. Taking the ECU out was really the problem, so I decided to connect the pinouts without taking the ECU out. And we are reading the ECU now using Kess free bench protocols. As you can see, we are reading now all the sectors using protocol 1193. By the way, this is EDC17C69 ECU. There are 3 different options for connecting the pins. After a few try, I get the right one. This is who we are. Also, we are known as Moorhouse Garage Ltd, located in Westerham, Kent. Our postcode Tango November 16 to Echo Tango. And this is the Supreme DPF cleaning. We are masters on what we do. This is what we know. You can reach me on 07533636194 with your DPF, EGR, AdBlue, NOx problems. We do many cars. They're all waiting to be done. And Renault Traffic, BMW, Kia, Range Rover, Evoque. So, like I said, DPF, EGR, AdBlue, NOx problems are problems. We can solve them out for you, no problem. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel for further more educational videos. Thanks for watching.